Mozzarella in lasagna, the cheese that makes or breaks this dish. But is it actually the best, or are we all just falling for the hype? Is mozzarella the undisputed king, or an overrated mess? Let's put it to the test with an insane lasagna recipe. And if you love lasagna, grab 20 free lasagna recipes at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Link below. First, let's talk ingredients, because your cheese choice can make or ruin this dish. We're using fresh mozzarella, but should you? Or is shredded the better move? Let's find out. Next, the sauce, because even the best cheese needs a rich, flavorful base. Tomatoes, garlic, onion. Simple ingredients, big flavor. All right, now for the real test. Does mozzarella really make this lasagna elite? Or should we be using a different cheese? We're stacking up layers of saucy, cheesy goodness, but is this cheese actually pulling its weight? Some say adding Parmesan levels it up. Others say mozzarella should stand alone. Let's see. Into the oven it goes 375 degrees, 40 minutes. And while we wait, tell me, what's your go-to lasagna cheese? Let me know in the comments. Mozzarella needs time to melt and bubble perfectly. But does it brown too fast? We'll see. Loving this recipe? There's 20 more waiting for you. Download them for free at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Mozzarella is melty, yes. But is it too gooey? Let's check. Oh, this is the moment of truth. Look at that golden, cheesy crust. Mozzarella only, stretchy but maybe too mild. Mozzarella and Parmesan, sharper, richer. What do you think? And the stretch test? Oh yeah, that's what we want to see. But is the flavor there? Mozzarella is melty, but does it have enough punch? Final verdict? Mozzarella gives that dreamy stretch, but for flavor, a mix of cheeses might just be better. Mozzarella. Legendary for the stretch, but maybe not the full flavor package. What's your favorite cheese combo for lasagna? Drop a comment. And if you want to take your lasagna game to the next level, grab 20 free lasagna recipes at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Don't miss out.